Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in SolidWorks software. So you can see I choose this drawing to do the 3D model. You can see the dimension all are in mentioned mm. So the base size is 100 by 50 and height is 40 mm. So first I will create a base, then I will add this material. File, new part, okay. Select extruded boss, select front plane, normal, select center rectangle, give the dimension 100, this is 50. Sketch is fully defined, finish sketch, extrude up to 10 mm. So bottom base is ready, then select sketch, select surface, sketch, normal. You can see this dimension from bottom to hole center 40 mm and R is 20 mm. Select circle, give the dimension 40 and here to here 20. This is also R20 means 40 diameter. Select line, select this line and circle, give here tangent and also same this side tangent. Okay, sketch is fully defined, finish sketch, extrude, reverse up to surface. Okay. So now you can see there is one rib in the back side. For that, select this surface, sketch, normal, select line, select this line and this, give the tangent. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 10 mm. So backside rib also ready. Now you can see there is one hole in this portion, so select this surface, sketch, normal, circle, the diameter is 20 mm. Okay, finish sketch, extruded cut. Here select through all. Okay, so you can compare, friends. All the features are done as per the drawing. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment. Now I will assign the material. Select appearances, appearance, metal. I will go with steel. In the steel I will select polished steel. Save the part. That's it, friends, today's session. If you like this session, please subscribe my channel and support me, because I need to reach 1K subscriber in this month. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.